Hey everyone, it's Eva from Noshki's Nails. Today's going to be a video on some nail art that I wanted to kind of go into some of my old collection and use. This is a stamping plate from Uberchic. It's plate 103, and we're doing a Valentine's theme nail art today. It's gonna look like this, but I might do something different on one or two nails. So the base coat right now that I have is from Glisten and Glow. It's this one right here. It's called the 606. It was from PROShaker 2017. And then this is Revlon. This was from DT. It's 100 Enthrall. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I will be stamping using a Bundle Monster stamping polish. It's called Kandi. Let me see. Kandi Sprirt. This is in a collection. It comes with 6 bottles. I haven't swatched those. And I haven't used any of the other colors. So I can go ahead and do that on another video if you guys like. And this is just something that I found, that I ended up keeping from a package. I had ordered something, so I'm going to be using this to go ahead and continue on with sponging the rest of the nails. This is coming off because I've had it on for a while. It's old latex barrier from Nicole Diary, and it is drying up, so I'm trying to use most of it before I toss it in the trash. So let's go ahead and get this started.